Truck 48, Student's Book, Unit 4, page 156, Exercise 1.
Bright future for renewable fuels in the USA. Solar, wind, and other renewable sources of energy are expected to increase in the United States by 2050 due to worries about global warming from most countries around the world. However, household consumers of energy declare they would not use them in the foreseeable future unless the cost was considerably cheaper. Experts predict that renewable energy, such as geothermal power, biofuels, or tidal power, will be used more and more in the future. As a result, the use of fossil fuels will be greatly challenged.
Do you want to save money and help save the environment? Use renewable energy. Use our solar panels. Ask for a free in-home evaluation. Call 1-877-SUN-0123 or complete the online request form. One of our installer partners will conduct the in-home evaluation to assess your needs for a sun-powered system. The installation process will take only 2 to 5 days. Our installer partner will help you throughout the process. Call us or visit our website www.sunpower.sp.
Renewable energy resource that is replaced rapidly by natural processes. Examples include solar, geothermal, wind, and biomass energy. Renewable energy sources contribute approximately 29.3% of human energy used worldwide. While most renewable sources do not produce pollution directly, the materials, industrial processes, and construction equipment used to create them may generate waste and pollution. Fossil fuels such as oil, gas, and coal are non-renewable energy resources.